Imagine this, the serene banks of the Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj, where the Ganga, Yamuna, and the mythical Saraswati rivers converge. Amidst the throngs of devotees at the Mahakumbh Mela 2025, a surprising sight emerges. Bollywood celebrities and renowned personalities taking the holy dip, hands folded in reverence, embracing traditions that date back centuries. But here's the big question, is Bollywood turning more spiritual? The Mahakumbh Mela, held every 144 years, is considered one of the most auspicious events in Hinduism. This year, it witnessed an unprecedented influx of celebrities. Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal, the power couple, was spotted taking a holy dip. Akshay Kumar, known for his disciplined lifestyle, Akshay expressed gratitude for the experience, stating, "I thank CM Yogi Ji for making such good arrangements here." Anupam Kher, the veteran actor, shared a spiritual journey with fans, highlighting the event's significance in his life. Rajkumar Rao and Patralekha, the duo participated in the rituals, with Rajkumar mentioning, "One of my favorite things about the Mahakumbh is taking nearly daily sacred baths." Remo D'Souza, the choreographer-director, sought blessings discreetly, sharing glimpses of his visit on social media. Shankar Mahadevan, the acclaimed singer-composer, performed at the event, adding a melodic touch to the spiritual ambience. Mamta Kulkarni, the former actress now on a spiritual path, was appointed the Mahamandaleshwar of the Kinnar Akhada. This wave of celebrity participation raises intriguing questions. Genuine spiritual awakening. Are these stars experiencing a personal spiritual renaissance, seeking solace between the glitz and the glamour? Cultural representation. Could this be an effort to reconnect with India's rich cultural tapestry, showcasing a blend of modernity and tradition? Public influence. With massive followings, celebrities have the power to influence societal trends. Is their participation encouraging fans to explore their own spiritual journeys? In recent years, there's a noticeable shift in Bollywood's narrative. Films now delve deeper into India's spiritual and cultural ethos, reflecting growing interest in stories rooted in tradition. Celebrities openly discuss their spiritual practices, from yoga to meditation, promoting holistic well-being. Events like the Mahakumbh Mela attract international attention, with personalities like Chris Martin and Dakota Johnson also marking their presence. While it's tempting to view this as a trend, the consistent and heartfelt participation of Bollywood celebrities in events like the Mahakumbh Mela suggests a deeper connection. Whether driven by personal belief, cultural pride, or a desire to influence positively, one thing is clear. Bollywood is embracing spirituality more openly than ever before. So, is this a fleeting phase or a lasting transformation? Only time will tell. But for now, the confluence of cinema and spirituality at this Sangam paints a picture of unity, faith, and evolving identities. What are your thoughts on this? Do let us know. This is Leena Lal signing off.